welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Money Dash app not working. So let's get started. So here we can see the no Money Dash app. So if it's not work, you have to follow these steps. So just press and hold it here. Then you have to click on this I button. Okay. Then here it will open app info. Scroll down, click on the storage section. Just click on the clear data, delete the data. Then you have to open it again. If it's work, then fine. If it's not work for you, then you have to go to the google.com. Okay, and then from there you have to see for the app. Okay, so I will just search for Nova Money Dash app. Okay, Nova Money Dash app. So here we can see at the top Nova Money Dash. So at here you have to check for the update, and from there you can do it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.